Yeah. So question is like this. This is the question. Question number 16. Question number 16, and you have part 2. There is a circle. There is a circle like this. Right? There is a circle like this with center O. Now we have a triangle, right? A, what are the vertices? A, B, C. A, B, C. Right? This center is not required. It is saying now this is what we call BD.
वो है और इसको गर्म करने वाला ऐसा नहीं just 5 minutes.
This is BD, right? So as given BD bisects angle ABC. It is given. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? Now if you draw a line from here, if you draw a line from here, मतलब construct a line CD, right? Construct a line CD. So you construct a line CD, right? So now we consider first triangle is this.
Hi, Mama. Mama,
Hmm.
देखो
Hmm.
देखो तो दादा.
You go.
Hi.
Angle we will take. Another triangle we will take this. This is what we have called intersecting point is called E. This is E. So one triangle we will take this. That's why I come to make a diagram. right? For better understanding. That's why I'm doing this. Otherwise, I was thinking to you do by your own. But this is the trick, you know. This is. These two triangles we take in consideration. These two angles are equal, right? And these angles are vertically opposite. So you can make it, you can write in triangle ABE, ABE and triangle BCD, BCD, ABE or BCD. Then what happens? Angle opposite to equal sides are AE, AE upon sorry. So in triangle ABE or triangle BCD, angle ABC is equal to angle ABC कहाँ से आ गया? Angle ABD, ABE, ABE is equal to angle CBD. Basically, angle ABD is equal to angle CBD as BD bisect angle ABC, right? And angle ABD is equal to angle ABE, same angles, right? So that's why they are equal. First is this, and second, angle AEB, AEB is equal to angle DEC, DEC, right? They are vertically opposite. What? Vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. So by A similarity, triangle ABE is similar to triangle BCD. BCD. Now, opposite to this, what is AB? So we can write AB upon इसके opposite CD is equal to opposite to this angle, we are taking first ABE, na? So opposite to this is AE. So we write here AE, and opposite to this is CD. So you write CD is coming in two cases, or you can do. Okay. CD, forget it. Is equal to now these two, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this, so this angle will also equal to this, right? So opposite to this is BE, and opposite to this is BC. What do you have to prove?
AB upon BD is equal to BE upon BC.
AP upon
AB upon BD is equal to BE upon BC.
in triangle ABE and triangle BCD. So AB is equal to AC. ये angle ABE is equal to angle CBD, right? Because BD bisects them, and they are bisects ABC, and AD is same angle. So that's why they are AB is equal to CD. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गलत है, वर्टिकली अपोजिट नहीं होगा, ये पूरा ट्रायंगल हम ले रहे हैं ना, तो हाउ इट कैन बी पॉसिबल? This vertically is not possible, right? This vertically is not possible. So हम क्या करेंगे? हमने तो इसको लिया हुआ है ना, इस पूरे को लिया हुआ है ऐसे, ये पूरा एंगल है, एंड ये मतलब दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. Again, they are. Should I rub from here? Huh? Here. ठीक है. So इस केस में हम जाएंगे. So these two angles are equal. So we will write and this angle, you know, this angle will be equal to this. ये दोनों क्यों बराबर हैं? एंगल B B A E is equal to angle CDE, right? As angle BAC is equal to angle CDB is angle in a same segment. Angle in same segment. Same segment. Right? Angle in the same segment. Or angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle BAE, and angle CDB is equal to angle CDE. They are same angles. Same angles. Right? So therefore, angle BDE is equal to angle CDE. So एक this is an equal, एक this is equal. This is equal. Right? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is equal. And because of this, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. They are equal. So, by a similarity triangle ABE is similar to triangle CBD. BCD. Now what happens? Opposite to this side is
BE.
BE. You write here BE. And opposite to this side is BC. Opposite to this side is
AB.
AB. And opposite to this side is BD. Now what you have to prove?
AB upon BD is equal to BE upon BC.
AB upon?
BD is equal to BE upon BC.
Okay. कुछ नहीं यार, अरिथमेटिक नहीं करने वाले। मैंने क्या किया? इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है?
BE.
BE. और इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? BC. अब इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? AB. इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? BD. We write it. So, hence proof. Right? This is the solution. Yeah. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Huh?